Today's product helps you climb up the rankings, get up those search engines, analyze your competitors, do all of those things using AI. It's called BiQ. We're not talking about the razors or the pens, but we're talking about a search engine tool. So let's jump in straight away and look at BiQ. Here we go. Right, so here is me logged into my BiQ account. This is something I'm going to use more and more as my website develops because it does 4 things. It does the KI, the CI, the RI, and the RT. All right? No, I don't know what they mean now, but I do actually, because KI is keyword intelligence. So it will generate related keywords to keywords you input. It'll conduct research on local SEO from wherever your area is. You can uncover content ideas, popular questions, trending searches, and much more. So when you're creating articles, you can use the relevant keywords. It's so competitive these days, isn't it? I remember when I first did Google AdWords, it was 5p a click. You'll see some of the amounts of money people are paying these days now. Content intelligence. So it'll analyze 25 crucial ranking factors instantly from your content on your website. It'll do a word vector SEO analysis of your articles. You can measure the SEO value of each and every paragraph in an article. See if you want to change it and do much more. RI is rank intelligence. You can discover the rankings that you didn't even know. Reveal hidden rankings. So it might be that you didn't know that you were doing well for a certain search term because of your articles on your website. It'll find them for you. Then you can possibly concentrate on those things more. And RT stands for rank tracking. So you can see over time how well your pages are doing on your website. If they're improving in the search engine, if they're falling, and it can track the features. All right, so I'm going to give you a quick demo, but I can't really show you too much on BiQ today because my website, phils.deals. Have you subscribed yet? It's very early days. It's great fun, but it's not quite there yet where we're worrying about search engines. So KI, keywords. You put your target keyword in, the area you want to search for, and the language. So we'll just show you this. This will take a bit of time because it does use artificial intelligence. So every time it does one of these reports, it takes a few seconds for it to appear. So I'm building a WordPress website. Slip of the tongue there, we'll leave that in. I'm building my web. Did you hear what I said there? That would work. So you can see the keyword overview, WordPress website. You can see the monthly volume of searches for WordPress website is 12,100. This is in the United States. We've gone for this one. But you can see that there's similar words that are searched for every month, like WordPress website design, 1,000 searches. And you can scroll through. GoDaddy. Wow. How big's GoDaddy? 823,000 searches. Website speed test. 14,000 searches a month, of course, because we always want to just search for that tool we use to search for our site. So the average CPC, the advertisers are paying to bid on this keyword on Google Ads, $21. Competition, the number of advertisers bidding on each keyword, very competitive. So there's your related keywords. Once you put one keyword in the search, it'll give you lots of related keywords so you can find something else that maybe isn't quite as competitive. Content ideas. Again, it'll take a bit of time. Build a better website, or the best website builder. Easy to install add-ons, yes, if you're doing a website. So it gives you ideas of other content ideas, and then again you can find out, you want to find a low CPC, something that's relevant to your term with a relatively low cost per click. Let's find out. They're all zeros at the moment. Anything relative, so WordPress dashboard, low cost per click. But would you see what I'm getting at with it? This will popular questions. I think if we lose WordPress, it'll find this now. Let's just do this. No. And trending searches for WordPress. It's a trending search because everybody wants to try and find their WordPress login. But these are the searches, what people are looking for. When they search for WordPress, the trending searches are WordPress themes, WordPress website builder. Does WordPress cost money? Yes, although it's meant to be free. So that is keyword intelligence. Then you can add those words once you've found them to your collection. You just click on search. I don't want to add login, but maybe I want to add in WordPress and add it to your collection. And I can select or start a new, create a new collection, WordPress. and it'll add those keywords to that collection, and then you can use them. So that is the words. Let's go back again now. Let's try content intelligence. All right, let's have a look at software reviews then. This is my website. It's analysing phils.deals. It's looking for software reviews. As I say, I can't really show you on my site at the moment, but it shows you that software selection specialists. Is that me? Software selection process. These are the. This is where the words software review appear on my website. So I get an idea of the words that I am using. So actually, that's all of my YouTube videos. So you can actually see where I've been using the word software reviews. It's very tricky for me to do a full review of this because I'm still building and finishing my amazing fun-packed website, phils.deals. Discover ranking points. Again, ranking distribution, search volume, phils.deals. Let's have a look what it says. My rank keywords are on the way. So keywords from my website, all top 100 rankings. I'm appearing in one. What's that for? Can I find it? One. To view these rankings, the cost will be 0. Let's have a look. What's me one word? Ah, sorry about this. But once my website is up and booming, it will search all of the words on your website. I know this is a bad. So the only thing I'm trending for is if someone types in Phil's Deals in a search engine, I will appear at position 66. I'll be number 1 soon on Google. But you can imagine that if you have a busy, popular website using lots of terms, this will be a great way that you might have one article, and it just so happens that those keywords means that your article is actually showing on Google. Am I trying to dig myself out of a bit of a hole here on this review? But you know what I mean. Once my site's going, once there's lots of articles, once there's lots of content, when I do that search again, I will probably appear in the rankings for much more keywords, and then I'll be able to look at the pages. I'll be able to see where I'm appearing and possibly concentrate more on those articles and create more articles or reviews or blog posts using those keywords. That's where it's from. And I'm smiling because I know it's tricky until I should review this in about 4 months' time once the website's busy. And finally, rank tracking. So I can find out how my site is doing, where my position is now, if I've gone up, if I've gone down. I'll be able to put different profiles, I think different actual pages I'll be able to input into there so that there'll be several different pages, and I'll be able to see how each page or each article is performing. And I know that that is not one of the greatest reviews I've ever done. But I'm honest, aren't I? And I can see the potential of BiQ. So check it out. The link will be in the description of this video. If you have got a busier website, do you know what? You could do me a favour on this one. I shouldn't be asking you to do my job. But if you've got a busier website, and if BiQ, I think it has got a free trial, somebody with a busy site, do some of the tests. And in the comments, tell us how you found it. All right. The video's up there. Once I get using it properly, I will do a full review. But that has been me reviewing software. And thanks for subscribing to the channel, where I'm always honest. I'll see you next time with a more in-depth one. I think I've said that in too many videos this year. See you soon.